Hi again, my dear students. Today we will learn Unit 11, How long have you been? Ready, steady, go.
Quyidagi misollarni o'rganing.
Mike uylangan. U roppa-rosa 20 yil oldin uylandi. Demak, bugun uning to'yining 20 yillik yubileyi.
He's been married for 20 years.
U 20 yildan beri uylangan.
E'tibor bering.
He is married.
U uylangan.
Present simple.
Lekin
How long has he been married?
U qancha vaqtdan beri uylangan.
Present perfect.
He's been married for 20 years.
U 20 yildan beri uylangan.
Present perfect.
o'tmishda boshlangan va hozirga qadar davom etib kelayotgan ish harakatni ko'rsatish uchun qo'llaniladi.
Present perfect.
Zamonini
Present simple.
va
Present continuous.
bilan taqqoslang.
Paul is in hospital.
Paul kasalxonada.
Lekin
He's been in hospital since Monday.
U dushanbadan beri kasalxonada.
Do you know each other well?
Siz bir-biringizni yaxshi bilasizmi?
lekin
Have you known each other for a long time?
Siz bir-biringizni uzoq vaqtdan beri bilasizmi?
yana misollarni taqqoslang.
She's waiting for somebody.
U kimnidir kutmoqda.
Lekin
She's been waiting all day.
U kun bo'yi kutmoqda.
Do they have a car?
Ularning mashinasi bormi?
lekin
How long have they had their car?
Ularning mashinasi qanchadan beri bor?
I have done simple.
yoki
I have been doing continuous. How long?
qanchadan beri haqida so'raganimizda yoki gapirganimizda odatda
Continuous.
qo'llaniladi. Shuningdek, unit 10 ga qarang.
I've been learning English for a long time.
Men ingliz tilini anchadan beri o'rganayapman.
It's been raining since lunchtime.
Yomg'ir tushlik paytidan beri yog'ayapti.
Kevin has been doing the same job for 20 years.
Kevin 20 yildan beri bitta ish qiladi.
How long have you been driving?
Since I was 17.
Qanchadan beri mashina haydaysiz? 17 yoshimdan beri.
Ba'zi fe'llar, masalan,
No, like, believe, continuous.
davom fe'lli zamonlarda odatda qo'llanilmaydi.
How long have you known Jane?
Jane'ni qachondan beri bilasan?
I've had a pain in my stomach all day.
Kun bo'yi qornim og'ridi.
Ushbu fe'llar ro'yxati unit 4 da berilgan.
Have.
Fe'lini unit 17 dan qarang.
Leave.
Va
Work.
fe'llari bilan
Continuous.
ni ham
Simple.
ishlatish mumkin.
Julia has been living in London for a long time. Julia has lived in London for a long time. Julia Londonda anchadan beri yashaydi.
How long have you been working here? How long have you worked here?
Bu yerda qanchadan beri ishlaysan?
Lekin
Always.
bilan
Simple.
qo'llaniladi.
I've lived, I've done.
Michael has always lived in Paris.
Michael doim Parijda yashagan.
Uzoq davr mobaynida takrorlanib kelgan ish harakatni ko'rsatish uchun
Continuous.
yoki
Simple.
ni ishlatish mumkin.
I've been collecting stamps since I was a child. I've collected stamps since I was a child.
Bolaligimdan beri marka yig'aman.
Lekin
Since, for.
Qatnashgan inkor gaplarda
Present perfect. Simple.
qo'llaniladi.
I haven't seen Tom since Monday.
Tomni dushanbadan beri ko'rganim yo'q.
Sarah hasn't phoned me for 2 weeks.
Sara menga 2 haftadan beri qo'ng'iroq qilgani yo'q.
Shu bilan unit 11 o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Endi odatdagidek leksika.uz saytiga kiring va ushbu unitga tegishli savollarni yechib olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring. Va albatta ushbu rolikka like qo'yib, komment yozish esingizdan chiqmasin. Bu bizga juda katta yordam beradi. Yaqinlaringiz va do'stlaringizga ham darslarimiz haqida xabar bering. Birgalikda o'rganish qiziqarliroq bo'ladi. Omad!